everybody. I hope you're having a good week so far, and I just wanted to continue with my tips when it comes to gray and white coverage. But today I'm going to actually go into how to refresh the mids and ends correctly when you're dealing with the roots that have those pesky white hairs. So my question to you is, are you using the same formula on the roots? And just say, for instance, combing through the mids and ends to refresh those mids and ends when the client is looking for that end result to not have any warmth in it. If you are doing something a little bit incorrect, and you might want to change that formula up for the mids and ends. Now, why? Because Organic Color Systems NN series does contain a very little bit of warmth in each bottle when it comes to the NN series. So if you're using up to a ½ ounce of an NN series for that root, which we do need for that gray coverage, all right, and you're combing it through the mids and ends, you're adding that warmth back into the mids and ends that client just does not want to see. So what you need to do is look at that canvas and formulate accordingly to that canvas that you're looking at and the level you're going to. So for example, if they're kind of a faded out level 6, a little bit of that brassiness is coming through and they want to go back to that level 5, we know that at that level 6, looking at that canvas, we see a little bit of orange, and we're going to that level 5 that will contain just a little bit of that red undertone. So we need to go in there with 5AH for the orange and 5DAH for the red. And that is it. Now there's different ways you can formulate this with the mids and ends, but that's just one example. But you do want to stay away from the NN as far as that client that does not want to see that warmth on the mids and ends. I hope you found this tip helpful, and if you have any questions, please write it below. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.